Good evening, guys. This is Yolanda. I want to bring a simple, short video to show you how to print your labels or stickers from Canva. As you can see, I'm on Canva's website, and I just popped up simple design in here. As you can see, that's my account there, and this is just an old file that I had. And I'll show you, sorry for blurriness, I'll show you how I go about printing. I'm not going to print, sorry, I'm not going to try to do this one-handed. I'm not going to actually print it, but I'll take you to that spot where you get to print. First you want to go, okay, so here we go. First you want to go, you have your file on screen. You want to go up to your right hand corner where it says share, okay? And share means download. You can share it to whomever if you have you collaborating with others that's working on your project. So you want to scroll down and you want to click the download. Okay, so you got this page that popped up. So there's one or two ways you can do this. You can do it as a PDF. You can do it as a PDF. And if that pop-up came up, I'm sorry. Or you can do it as PNG. I always do it as a PNG. And I come over and I always raise the size of it. Let's see if I can come in here. Okay. So it has it in pixels. I usually raise the size of it over a little higher. That way if I want to print that on a piece of paper, regular paper, that larger size, it won't be blurred out. You can also do a transparent background on it. Sorry. You can do a transparent background on it. You can compress it, but it gives you a lower quality. And you can also save the settings. For this, forgive me. For this example, we're printing a label. I do a PNG, and I come down the bottom, download it, and that's all I have to do. So, and there you have it. It'll pop up in my files on my computer. And all I have to do is save it from here. And I click save. Okay. And then I can go in to my files. And bear with me here. Again, I'm doing this one-handed. I can go into my files on my computer. There. And look for the file. I'll go into downloads. And there we are. I'm looking over the screen here. Go into downloads. And let's do here. Got this. Let's see, bear with me. And usually it's there. It'll be in my files. My computer's kind of wacky when it takes file. Just pay attention to where your file is being downloaded to. But that's basically it. And I'm just going to open one here. Oops, let's kill that. Open one of my labels. Go, there's a PNG. Open that one. There it is. I can print from here. You go up to the top, and I can print. So based on your printer that you have or settings that you have on your computer, you just go ahead and print from there. And I use Cricut in order to do my printing for my labels. So it's all based on where you're printing your labels, where you send your label, your print to what application you're using. And here you can come back and see if I show you how to do this. It's a PDF. Let's see. Okay, I come into download, and I come in. Okay, right here. I'll do this again. And I come down here. You have JPEG that you can print as, and you have PNG, which is what we just did, and then you have PDF print, and that's what you want. You also have the option to do an SVG, and that's best for web design and animations. Okay, and there's also two other options: MP4 for video, and GIF is a short, crisp image of your label. Pretty much the same thing. You hit standard PDF, and do that. And you don't need to select any of these. You just download it as a PDF. Okay, and you see it's downloaded again. They're popped up in my PDF files under my downloads. I'll have it go into my recipes. The file is a PDF. Okay, I'm not going to do that because it's already in there. And that's how you do it. Okay? Hope that helps. And we'll talk to you on the next video.